Hey guys, here will be the last and final unboxing of all of Sal's photos. Just to shave a little bit of time off this video, I already opened up one of the packages. So, yeah, let's just begin and have a look at everything. So, this is coming out of the first package. And what we got here is the Manitalk 18,000 working with a set of Favcos, the World Trade Center. Got an LTM 1500 crane zinc. I was installing the tower crane. Another one of the LTM. That's at night. Bay cranes 1500 on Wall Street with the luffer down on the ground. It's at night. Here is the back of Crane Zinc's LTM 1500, and it's got the luffer over the building, and he's got his load almost connected to the mast, which is the back section of the tower crane, the counter jib. Here you can see the luffer of the crane, and here's the back mast. They're about to connect it to the Favco tower crane. Another picture. Here is the Manitalk 18,000 with Favco and a link belt tower crane in Manhattan. And here is EE Cruise's 320DL, PC 228, and Komatsu D61PX dozers working on the World Trade Center. So that's the first set of photos. Now to get in with the second ones. Hold on. Just get this box open, guys. And this is the bulk of them, I think. And these I guess were sent directly, according to Sal, from his printer. So these will be exciting to see. I don't even think Sal has seen them yet. He might have, but if not, then here we go. So these right here are two 8x12 pictures I wanted. This is the 320 dumping dirt and the PC 228 dumping dirt. I couldn't get them in 10x13 because the pictures were just too blurry. So I had them printed in a smaller pic size because I really wanted those two pictures. And then these are the final 10x13s. There's EE Cruise's D61PX again. Another one. This is Vinny took this one, so shout out to you, Vinny. Great photography. Been a fan of your page for a long time too. Here's the 385 reaching down to the PC 228s or feeding it material, and the 385 is feeding material or feeding the trucks. Here's the Manitalk 18,000 lifting a 55-ton load. That's Vinny and Sal both have video of that. I wanted the picture of that from that time that they took that. Here's a Cat 966 in Staten Island, New York, piling up material. Here's another one of the 18,000 with its load. There's another one. EE Cruise's D85PX LGP dozer. And here's the Manitalk 18,000 with the 55-ton load again. So that concludes this unboxing of all the photographs. I'm going to get them all framed, hung up, and then I'm going to do a collection video with everything, all the pictures, and all of my current models and models I have now. So, or models that I've gotten that I haven't posted the unboxing for. So that concludes this unboxing. Thanks for watching, guys. Comment, rate, subscribe, and if you like the photography like I do, buy Sal's photography and Vinny's. They're both fantastic. They have fantastic pictures. They're professional about everything. Once again, so yeah. See you later.